years and suffer in hell, how they will get the low spaces and suffer life after life. They don't know it. And I was narrating that story of Murgaripada, that how this Narada Muni saw his mercy upon that merciless Vyadha, Murgaripada, who completely changed. This is the mercy of sadhus, like Narada Muni. It's completely changed. Bhagavan Krishna said in Bhagavad Gita, Srudu Sarvabhutana, he is the only well-wishing friend of all living entities. And his dear devotees, Vaishnava sadhus, they are also the well-wishing friends of all living entities. Vaishnava Sarvabhuta Hite Rataha. He is really Vaishnava, he does good to all living entities. How can he think of the killing of an animal? Never. If he sees such thing, like Narada Muni, he takes pity on such cruel persons. Here Narada Muni instructs, and at that time in the case of Murgaripada, he also instructed, showered his mercy on Murgaripada, who completely changed. His merciless heart completely changed, became very soft-hearted, soft. Following the instruction of Murgari and Narada Muni, that Murgaripada gave up that profession from that day. He broke down and threw out his bow and distributed all the wealth he had acquired by that profession to the Brahmanas and Vaishnavas. And both husband and wife came down there to that spot in the forest and put Tulsi Devi, chanted Hare Krishna, circumambulated Tulsi Devi, and became sadhu. And Murgaripada became sadhu, completely sadhu. This is the mercy of Narada Muni. And when Narada Muni told, "Broke down your bow," then that bad Murgaripada said, "Oh, by this I am earning my livelihood, my food. How can I eat? How can I get food?" Narada said, "I will supply food." "All right, you supply food. Just now I brought food." Narada Muni supplied food. Such a merciless person who was killing animals, not completely killing, half dead, making half dead. And they are getting so much pain, and he was getting pleasure, you see. And here the animals say, this most satisfied, being most satisfied by killing others, will surely feel that this person is so merciless, and he gets pleasure by killing us. What sort of pleasure? You understand? Such merciless persons. So that Murgaripada became sadhu completely, as it is. Followed the instruction of Narada Muni. Give up that. Completely sadhu. His heart completely changed. His merciless heart became very soft-hearted sadhu. So all the people thought of, oh, such a merciless person, this Murgaripada now becomes sadhu. Let us go and see how he has become sadhu. So it is also injunction in Shastra. If someone will come to see a sadhu or come to the temple, he should not come empty-handed. He should come with something, either a fruit, a flower, or some money, some offering, some gift. He should come, one should not come empty-handed. So when people are coming every day, many people came to see how this merciless hunter has become sadhu. They came with some money, some came with this rice, fruit like this. Whatever they brought, they just put it there. So every day when innumerable people are coming with such gifts, so much money is there, so much rice is there, so much vegetables are there. You eat, how much you eat? enough eating, enough, more than enough. Narada Muni is sending food. And they are chanting Hare Krishna, Kasarping, bleeding, Tulsi Devi. It becomes so changed, the heart becomes so changed. His heart is now so soft. Who was so cruel that mercilessly killing and not completely killing and making the half dead, was getting pleasure. Now his heart completely changed. Now he is not prepared to kill even an ant. Such change. So once Narada Muni came with his friend Parvata Muni, let us go and see, we have a desire. So that person saw Gurudev is coming. So he thought of to prostrate himself, full dandavat, pranam lata. Gurudev is coming. But he found some ants are there. Then think, oh, if I fall down, so ants will be killed. What shall I do? Just driving out ants. You are not going to see such person. You are so merciless person, you are doing such merciless killing. Now, how he has changed? He is now not prepared to kill even an ant. You understand? Such things. This sadhu krupa. This is sadhu krupa, Vaishnava krupa, Guru krupa. Unless they are fortunate and get such krupa from sadhus like Narada Muni, they cannot be changed. Merciless persons. They cannot be delivered, you see. They will suffer life after life in the hell. And Narada Muni came and asked, my dear boy, are you okay now? You say, yes, Gurudev, I'm very happy now. But one request is there, you are sending too much food. Don't send so much food. So much. You see. Such a story. Yes, you are there. Guru Krupa is required, Sadhu Krupa is required. Otherwise, such merciless persons cannot be changed or delivered. They will suffer, certainly they will suffer life in hell. One question is raised, is there this injunction or prescription in Vedas to sacrifice animals, kill animals? In answer to this question, it is said there is no such injunction in Veda. Veda never says this thing. Manhisya sarvan bhutani. Veda said this thing. Manhisya sarvan bhutani. That means don't kill. As Jesus Christ said, thou shalt not kill. That's Veda says. Manhisya sarvani bhutani. Don't kill any living. Completely forbidden the animal killing. The purport is that the human form of life is rarely obtained. Durlabham manusam janmam. The purpose of a human form of life is to get Krishna mercy, paramartha love, get Krishna in this life. This is the purpose of human life. So one who is an intelligent person, a wise person, he should understand it very clearly. What is the purpose of life? And how can he achieve it? Fulfill that purpose. He should endure for that. Wild kill, animals. Veda never says this thing. But conditioned souls, those who are in the grip of Maya, material nature, they are ignorant. They have forgotten their own identity, forgotten Krishna, and they are under the grip of material nature. There are three modes of material nature: Rastic, Tamasic, Rasic, and Sattvic. Mode of goodness, mode of passion, and mode of ignorance. In Bhagavad Gita, it is very elaborately discussed how one should, transcending mode of ignorance and passion, at least come to the mode of sattva, goodness. You understand? That's elaborately discussed. And that's not sufficient. Then he will transcend that mode, sattva, goodness, and go to Suddha sattva, pure goodness. You understand? That instruction is given in Bhagavad Gita. So, the purport of saying is what Veda says, as long as a person has not come to this platform of sattva, he is in the platform of rajas and tamas, passion and ignorance. You understand? So, the persons who are in this platform, the platform of rajas and tamas, passion and ignorance, by nature they have this desire, they are very much inclined to this, to enjoy sex and to eat fish and meat, and to drink wine, surapan. You understand? It's quite natural. Such persons, those who are in mode of rajas and tamas, passion and ignorance. But persons who are in the mode of goodness, they won't do it. They won't do it. You understand? They are Brahmanas, they are natural Brahmanas. They won't do it. So, Veda instructs this human beings. You transcend these lower modes of nature, that's a mode of ignorance and passion, and come at least to mode of sattva, goodness. Then, last instruction, transcend that and come to Suddha sattva, pure devotional path. That is the instruction of Veda. As long as a person is in the mode of rajas or tamas, passion and ignorance, so his natural motive is that he must be inclined to animal killing, fish eating, meat eating, enjoying sex and drinking wine. But Veda has not given any permission for it. Rather, Veda has taught us, given instruction, transcend this lower modes, at least come to sattva. Unless one has, as long as one has not come to that stage of sattva, so Veda has said some injunctions. You should not enjoy sex unrestrictedly. Veda has given some restrictions. Vivahe Srisanga. You marry. According to Vedic principles, you marry. A man will accept a wife will accept a husband. You understand? And there is restricted sex enjoyment, not unrestricted. Restriction, strict restriction is there. Vivaha is Srisanga. Otherwise you cannot do. Thereby, Veda gives restriction. You understand? Gives restriction. In this way, if that person accepts a bona fide spiritual master and under his guidance does this thing, a restricted sense enjoyment, gradually will come to completely this pure devotional path. Pure devotional path. And completely give up all these things. This is Veda's instruction. Completely one should detach himself from this material enjoyment and attach himself to the lotus feet of Krishna. This is Veda's. Vivahe Srisanga Jogya Pashuvattha. So Veda says, in Jogya Vedic yajna, you can sacrifice animal, but that's not real killing, giving new life. This restriction is there. And also, as I was telling you the other day, those were tantrikas, they worship Kali, Durga. They offer sura, wine also. And for them it is, this restriction is given. You offer wine or sura to Goddess Kali, then you may accept it. But Veda says, Dhana Bhaksya Vihita Suraya. Veda says, only smell it. Don't drink it. Dhana Bhaksya Vihita Suraya. That Veda says. You'll offer sura or wine to Goddess Kali, but only smell it. Don't drink it. Such restriction is there. In this way, Veda instructs that gradually a person will be completely detached from this material enjoyment and come to the platform of pure devotion. This is completely attached to the lotus feet of Krishna. Prabhuti Nibhuti. The specific words are there. It's Prabhuti Nibhuti. Prabhuti means material attachment. Nibhuti means completely detachment from material enjoyment. That's Nibhuti. So this is Veda's purpose. In this way, Vedas have given some strict restrictions. That there is no such recommendation in Veda. Bhagavad 11th canto also says, Loki vivayami samadhyasiva nityastu jantor nahi tattva chodana. Devastitastesu vibhav jagyo surah gahira suni vrittirista. 11th canto, Srimad Maharaja says the same thing. The same thing. That means, in this material world, persons who are in the mode of passion and ignorance, they have this natural instinct. Sex enjoyment, sitting, meditating, and drinking wine. Therefore, but there is no shastric recommendation here. Rather, Shastra has given, Veda has given this restriction. Vivahya Stri Sangha, that means you should marry according to Vedic principles and under the guidance of a bona fide spiritual master. Then you, both husband and wife, will unite and enjoy sex under strict regulations. Ebam Vevaya Prajaya Norati, that Shastra says. Vevaya Prajaya Norati. That means, Vevaya means marriage. What is the purpose of marriage? Why shall one marry? Only Prajaya, Norati, to procreate, for progeny, not for sexual pleasure. Norati. Vevaya Prajaya Norati. That Veda says. This is the purpose of marriage. Only procreate, progeny, not rati, no sexual pleasure, no. If you don't want to procreate, don't marry. Don't marry. Why you marry? Only for enjoyment, sexual enjoyment? No. That's not Veda's intention. You understand? If you want to procreate, yes, marry. And strict, under strict guidance of the bona fide spiritual master. Strict sex enjoyment. You understand? Strict sex enjoyment. We have these regulatory principles. It's also said, if the husband and wife have accepted a bona fide spiritual master, so under his guidance, under his permission, they will unite for procreation. Before that, they will beg permission from Guru. Guru gives permission, then they will unite. Otherwise they won't unite. No. Guru said no? No. You understand? Strictly prohibited. Such restriction is there. You understand? This is Vedas. Says this thing. Otherwise one cannot do. Whimsical. No such. No such. Complete understanding. You understand? So it is that thing. Shastra says. Vivaha is Trishanga. Otherwise you cannot enjoy sex. Marry. Marriage means accepting a wife means you are welcoming many problems, Baba. Many problems. You have to cry for the wife. She will make you cry. Lord Ram cried. You see, Lord Ram cried. That's what he thought. Oh, human beings, if you accept a wife, you have to cry like this. Such thing is there. Not an easy thing. Heavy responsibility comes. To maintain a wife, to satisfy a wife, woman, is very difficult task, Baba. Very difficult task. You can satisfy Krishna, but you cannot satisfy a woman. So mind it very well. Never satisfy. You understand? Never satisfy. You understand? And woman nature, the woman, how ever elevated human may be, consciousness is inferior. You understand? Consciousness is inferior. Yes. In Bhagavatam that is said in the Rudra Upakhyan, Chitraketu Upakhyan, you see, Durga Devi, you see, Parvati Devi, not an ordinary woman. She was wise. You understand? She was wise. Ordinary woman, you see. Chitraketu is the god brother of Shivaji. Chitraketu saw Shivaji in the presence of the sadhus was sitting with his wife Parvati Devi, keeping her on his lap. So Chitraketu criticized, wow, Shivaji is doing this thing in the presence of sadhus. Then when he criticized, Shivaji tolerated, laughed. But Parvati Devi couldn't tolerate. She gave curse, you see. She couldn't tolerate. She cursed Chitraketu. You should burn as a demon. So he was born as a demon, Rudrasura. So Srila Prabhupada has commented, however elevated human may be, your consciousness is inferior. Consciousness is inferior, Baba. You understand? So, therefore it is said also, Chanakya Pandit has also said, Vishwasu naiva kartavya stri surada guneshu. One should not rely, should not put faith in a woman. No, they are not persons to be relied on. Vishwasa naiva kartavya stri surada guneshu. Don't rely, don't put faith on the woman and the Rajkarmachari. What do you say? Government servants are royal servants, you see, unreliable. If you speak something very, very confidential, they cannot keep it, they will disclose it. You cannot. They will disclose it. You understand? That's in nature. And Chanakya Pandit also said the woman has 7 defects. It's quite natural with them. Anrutam, sahasam, maya, murkhatam, atilohata, asautatvam, nirdayatam, strinang, dosa, subhavadam. Chanakya Pandit said these 7 defects are with Strilo. Mithyabhadita, they speak lies. You understand? They never speak truth. Then ati sahasa, they are very brave. Outwardly, They seem to be very soft, you understand, and very coward, but inwardly very bold. Yes, Cholona. They are by nature very pretentious. They always pretend. You understand? And also it is said, Balanam Rodanam Balaha. Balam. These small children and women, their strength is crying, weeping. In very little, means just weep. And the woman will be saying, oh, weeping, crying, like that. Balanam Rodam. That is their strength, weeping. You understand? So this is, they pretend like this, Solona, pretentious nature. Murkhata, they are ignorant fools. Papa Jonaya, Gita says. They are Papa Joni, you see. You see? Papa Jonaya, low, Papa Joni. And Atilo, very greedy. And Apavitra, they are very unclean. Never clean. And Nirdaya, merciless. The seven. Chanakya Pandit has said this thing. For women. Even you see, those women kill their husband, their brother, being encouraged by their parama. Niti niti, novo novo, what is that? Sukshma, you see. They want always new person to enjoy the new sexual enjoyment. Therefore, secretly they keep connection with parama, you see. And if they find his husband is creating trouble, they kill him. All the murder, you see. If you go to the police person doesn't collect statistics, you find such a woman is there behind that murder. Even all murders. And this is what Narada Chanakya Pandit has said. And the outward appearance of the woman is not true at all. They have something inner appearance. Inner is quite different. Outward is all deceitful. It is Chanakya Pandit has said. So one should understand this thing. To marry, to accept a woman means to accept many problems. Many problems. And you cannot satisfy. If you are so, you say, opulent person, much well, you may make a golden garment, whole body will be covered with gold. If you can give, still they will not be satisfied. Still they will not be satisfied. Such is the human nature. So, in overcoming much problem, not easy task to satisfy everyone. It's very easy to satisfy Krishna. Just prasad Bhagavat, if you can satisfy your Guru, then Krishna will be satisfied. But you cannot be satisfied. All married persons, they will agree to it. They will never disagree. This is a fact. This is a fact. I was a married person. I'm speaking from my own experience. I'm not Muni or Shastra, Chanakya Pandit there also. And this is a fact. This is a fact. But if they can accept the bona fide spiritual master, so under his guidance, strict regulations, and they follow and chant the Krishna, and then by the mercy of Guru, such Vaishnava sadhus, then it changes. And the cruel, merciless persons have changed. Otherwise, no Baba, no possibility. No possibility. This is there. So we have all these things in Veda. So in Veda there is no such recommendations. So not